Former boxing world champion Mike McCallum dies at age 68. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica former world boxing champion Mike McCallum has died. He died at age 68 years old. Preliminary reports are that McCallum was on his way to the gym when he fell ill on Saturday. The former world champion pulled his car off the road where police found him unresponsive. McCallum won world titles in 3 different weight classes. McCallum won the WBA junior middleweight crown in 1984 with an unanimous victory over Ashman Sean Manian, becoming the first Jamaican to win a world boxing title. He went on to add the WBA middleweight and the WBC lightweight heavyweight titles to his collection. McCallum was inducted into the International Boxing Hall of Fame in 2003. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.